How to fix unable to log in errors in Acorns. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Acorns website. Then, if you're not able to log in, reload the page. After you have reloaded the page, press on login at the top right corner of your screen. After you've pressed on login at the top right, here, enter your email. Add your password and press on login. If it still does not work, click on forgot password. Enter your email, press on send email. Mail will be sent to your mail. Open your mail and there you'll find the link. You can click on it and code will be sent. Simply click on it and reset your password, which will simply directly log into your account as well. And if it does not work, you can contact them through email or phone as well. And this is how to fix unable to log in errors in Acorns. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.